Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm still your host, Isabella, and on today's video, we're going to be breaking down questions people ask before going into the real estate world. Now, should I rent or should I buy? Now, people often ask this question, and on this video, we're going to be breaking it down. If you're a first-time home seeker, this conversation will help you understand the pros, the cons, and also the important things that you need to know before making a decision in real estate. Joining us today on this video would be our very own Mr. Henry. He's going to come and give you guys and bless you guys with his knowledge in real estate. So stay tuned.
I am Henry Kings, the Havana Luxury Properties Head of Digital Marketing Department. Actually, it depends on the financial position of the person that wants to invest in a property. It depends on how flexible you are or your plans for investing in so-called property. One of the biggest mistakes first-time home and property investors make when buying properties, they tend to buy out of the aesthetics and they fail to ask questions about the property, especially that of documentation and maybe landmark as in regards to the development going around the area where the property is situated. First and foremost, it depends on your financial plans, your savings, and your financial inflow, how it goes, and your future plan in terms of the maintenance cost of investing in a property, as in regards to what it could have costed you if you were to rent that particular property. Not totally. Renting actually is not wasting money. But on the flip side of things, investing in property can help you to save in the long term. So it all depends on if you're a job seeker, if you are not yet established in life, then you can consider renting. Otherwise, investing in a property like buying it off is better. The documents, location, the development going on in that location, and they also need to check if the property is a community owned property or if it's government approved. So all this contributes to what you should be watchful of before investing in a particular property. Okay, when it comes to the steps to take in avoiding real estate mistakes, I'll start by saying that checking out the documentations, most especially, then followed by making sure that the survey of that property is well documented, as well as the kind of title that comes along with the so-called property. And this is where I will suggest making use of Havana luxury properties, because we're really good with educating, most especially the first-time buyers and the people that already have properties that they own before and maybe they want to invest in other ones. So that's where Havana luxury properties comes into play. They have process of educating first-time buyers and at the same time putting them through making sure that all the documents needed for that property is available at the time of inspection. So make sure that when you want to buy a property or your future home, make sure you come back to Havana luxury properties. Don't buy because of bare good pressure. Don't buy because of the color or the looks of the property you want to buy. Also avoid buying because someone asks you to buy a property. If you want to buy a property and maybe you are just considering how to go about it, come to Havana luxury properties. We will put you through on the processes you need to consider before actually investing in any property of your choice.
All right, guys. So if you found this conversation helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate conversations, investment insights, and lifestyle discussions right here on Havana Group YouTube channel. And don't forget to also follow Havana Luxury Properties for more real estate updates and opportunities. Bye guys, see you in the next video.